Hi, welcome back to my vlog. My name is Chelsea, and okay, Hi guys, and welcome back. So we are back from the store, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys a few things of what I got. I am excited to try this Health-Ade kombucha. It's the lemon ginger one. I'll let you guys know how that one is. But I've had this one. It's actually really good. The girls on TikTok say this is where it's at, and I would have to agree. Now, I also got these peaches. A lot of the snacks and stuff that I got are for the beach, so our beach trip that's coming up, so that we can go ahead and take it there. I like to get these lemonades. They're really good, and they're about $5, so $2.50 each. Really good deal. And then this is so good. Spinach artichoke dip. Oh my god, so good. So that's just a few of my favorites that I like to get from Sam's Club. So if you guys try out the Health-Ade kombucha, let me know how you guys like it. And then the spinach dip, artichoke spinach dip from Sam's Club, it's so good. But yeah, I think today we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unpack and put away all these groceries, and then I don't know if we're gonna, do you still want to make your grandma's birthday gift for tomorrow? So Elizabeth's grandma's birthday is tomorrow, and she needs to make her grandma a birthday present. So we don't know what we're gonna do yet, but
I'm gonna make you a birthday present, Mom.
yeah, and she said she wants to make me a birthday present for my birthday, which is next week. So by the time you guys see this vlog, it will have already been my birthday. So woo, here's to 28, baby. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted on what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. And I'm thinking, do you want to do the picture frame idea or no? Then I don't know if you guys have ever tried the sushi from Kroger. It is so good. Or if you have like a Publix maybe near you, but it looks like this. It's really good, and you can get like extra ginger or wasabi on the side. Really good deal, and it's only $9. So all right, so don't mind my hair. That is kind of what we're doing here. So we're gonna be getting ready for my first sew-in. I have an appointment tomorrow, so today we need to wash the hair and let it air dry. So I've never in my almost 28 years of life, because my birthday is next week, have never gotten a sew-in. So I'm very excited to show you guys the process. And I just want to make a few pointers here.
Mommy, that.
Oh, okay, yeah, that looks really good.
I don't know the double one to do.
Okay, make sure you write the big G and the little G first, and then try to do it by yourself.
Alright.
Okay.
And then I did these two.
Yeah. So.
And then that's it.
So today, before we get the sew-in tomorrow, I need to detangle my hair so that it's easier to work with tomorrow. So my hairstylist is actually my aunt. I've only ventured out one time to go get my hair done somewhere else, and it was a really bad experience. So I've never went out. So I have very good faith that she can do this. She's very versatile. She's done plenty of hairstyles like this before. So I have no worries in that aspect of it. My worries is just making sure that I get the hair right and done the way it's supposed to be done, and then hopefully it's dry in time. If not, my auntie does have a you know, all the stuff at her salon to get it together, but I like to be as prepared as possible. So today we're gonna go ahead and wash the hair. As I mentioned, this is my first time getting it sew-in, so the hair prices was a bit of a shock. I don't know what I thought. I knew bundles were expensive, but for my first time, I didn't know how I was going to feel about it, so I wanted to make sure I went with the best quality and the best price for me for my first time. So I ordered this hair from Virgin Hair on Amazon, and it was $70, which I feel like is very reasonable for hair. And I got 3 bundles. Let me tell you the sizes, because I didn't know that you needed 3 different sizes if you wanted to achieve a layered look in your hair. Alright, so I got 18, and then I got 20, and then I also got 22. So now the whole sew-in we're gonna actually but for right now I want to go ahead and wash this hair. So come on, I'll show you guys. I'm also gonna be making a TikTok as well, so make sure you guys are following me. My TikTok and Instagram is the CW Daily, so make sure you guys follow me on there. First, we're going to add the soap Elizabeth's gonna put in there. They said Dawn did soap on TikTok, but we don't have that, so we're gonna use this. Okay. These in there. Yeah, this one is. And then we're gonna do a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And hopefully we don't damage this hair. Okay. And then boil the water and watch out.
What you do to me? Come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to do. That's bottom line. Spend my life with you. Won't please you. Anywhere I can. Share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is mine. It goes on and on. You give. All day long, your love is running me. Goes on and on. Give me a good all day long.
Guys, now we have it just drying on the towel. Yay! Hi, and so my camera died when I was recording me getting my hair done and stuff, but I love it. I feel so cute. It's so long, it's so pretty, it's so fun. I'm very excited about it. I love it. Love it, I love it, I love it. So I'm very excited about my birthday hair. Very cute. So I did go ahead and get a sew-in. And I'm very excited because I think we're actually going to be able to make it to, and then we have the Watermelon Festival, and then we're headed to the beach. So I think we're going to go ahead and make this like a weekend vlog, get ready with us, and we have a few more things left to do before we head to the beach. And then I'm gonna start a new vlog once we actually get to the beach. So very excited about that. I did go ahead and get my nails done as well. I got something very simple and cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. And I am taking our engagement pictures at the beach, so I'm very excited about that as well. So this is kind of like a mini prep for that as well. Yes, so I'm very excited for this whole vlog. So
Happy, can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hit on me and ask you with laughter? Can you lead me to the ark with the password? I need you, you're like humanity, only humanity, with humanity.
alright guys, so we're back from the Watermelon Festival. It was so hot today. It was around 93 degrees and it felt like, I would say 1:30 or something. Yes. So we, after the Watermelon Festival, we went to Marshall's and then we went to the goodies that I got at the Watermelon Festival. So let me show you guys. Hold on. Y'all see me? And it was hot, so I had to wrap up my hair, put it up and stuff. So okay, so from the festival I got this little clip thing. It was these guys walking around from Capital One giving out these bags. How cute. And you see the little details. Nice. I actually used to work for Capital One, so this was fun. I actually have a shirt and stuff from them already, so add to the collection. So we got these two totes from Capital One, and then we walked by Virginia Credit Union and got this little tote. And then they also were giving out members shirts. So love free things. And then we also got these little cards. Alright. And then from Marshall's, I wanted to get this curler so that I can hold my curls when I wand curl my hair for our engagement pictures. So I got this. Hopefully it helps keep them. And then I saw this little base dupe, I guess you would say, for like a fanny pack. So it has like a zipper compartment. So let me see the brand. Okay, so this is the actual brand, whoever this is. And I was like, this is so much storage. You got a zipper part in the back. So this is the front, and it's really cute. And then you can open it, and then it has so much storage inside. Look at that. 2 pockets, 1 on each side. No, 3 pockets, 3 individual. So it's just nice. I like it, and it'll be nice for my walk. So got that. And then I wanted to get these packing cubes so it can make it easier to pack everything. And then Philip got some stuff to take his pictures, like a white shirt, stuff like that. So, yes. Now all that we have left to do is pack everything, and then we're gonna pack everything in the car, and then we'll be on our way tomorrow morning. So excited. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and have this be one vlog, like the Watermelon Festival and like a weekend vlog, and then I'm gonna start a birthday week. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up everything, finish cleaning up, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.